Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure wealth management services with Rowe Price. Complete guide step by step clearly. To configure wealth management services with Rowe Price, start by visiting the official Rowe Price website. Locate the Wealth Management section on the home page. Click on the link to explore available services and solutions. Take note of the different wealth management options offered, including investment management and financial planning. Next, create an account if you do not already have one. Click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Choose a strong password and confirm it. After creating your account, log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Wealth Management Services tab. Review the specific services that align with your financial goals. Select the services you are interested in. Click on the Get Started or Apply Now button for the chosen services. You may be prompted to complete a financial questionnaire. Provide information regarding your financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. Review the terms and conditions related to the services you are applying for. Submit the questionnaire and any additional documents as requested. After submission, wait for confirmation of receipt from Rowe Price. Once your application is processed, you will receive a follow-up communication. Schedule a meeting with a wealth management advisor if applicable. During the meeting, discuss your investment strategies and financial goals in detail. Ask any questions you have about the services, fees, or investment options. After your meeting, confirm your selected investment strategy and services. Begin funding your account according to the instructions. Monitor your wealth management portfolio through your account dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.